So guys, this is the Sumo Oat field. That's the wet hole that we didn't get planted at the same time. Had to come back and plant it later. Not going to get a lot there, but forage. But anyway, there's the Sumo Oat field. We just got done test cutting. And we're getting ready to combine. And they're looking surprisingly good considering the year. The one thing I will say about the Sumo Oats in northeast Kansas here, apparently, you know, we might be a hair out of their habitat because there is quite a bit of green in the stems yet, and there's some green oats yet, but they're testing 14, so we're going to run them. Thanks, guys. Okay, guys, we're cutting away, and we have this problem. The oats are yielding surprisingly well. You know, I've had dawn oats that looked better than this and yielded far less. They're not super impressive looks-wise. They do have a fair amount of height to them, but that is kind of nice here because it's kept them out of the weeds. Anyway, they may not be terribly impressive looking, but they are yielding better than I would have expected. And you got to remember that this field was no-till planted in muddy conditions, so wet that I was having to